assess the estrogenic activity by analyzing the degree of cell maturation in the vaginal smears. It is commonly used in the gynecological and reproductive health evaluation. The cornification index represents the production of the superficial, intermediate, and the parabasal cells in the vaginal smear. It reflects the estrogen stimulation in the vaginal epithelium. Parabasal cells least mature, round small cells with a higher nucleate to the cytoplasmic ratio predominant in the low estrogen states. Intermediate cells larger with a vesicular nuclei and apparent cytoplasm, common in the moderate estrogen level usually pre-pregnancy. Superficial cells most mature, large flat pragmatic nucleus at the anucleated cells, increases with the high estrogen level, ovulation follicular phase. Calculation of the cornification index expressed as a percentage of the cell types, CI, percentage superficial cells, intermediate phase the parabasal cells into 100 of. Clinical significance and the interpretation of high cornification index CI greater than 60% indicates a high estrogen activity found in the normal follicular phase and the ovulation. Low cornification index indicates the low estrogen levels, menopause and the ovarian failure found in the menopause and the postpartum period, lactation or the primary ovarian insufficiency. Moderate cornification index seen in the luteal phase, perimenopause or the mixed hormonal states. Clinical use of the cornification index, assessment of the estrogen activity, useful in evaluating the ovarian function. Menopausal status determination differentiates the reproductive, perimenopausal and the postmenopausal states. Monitoring the hormonal therapy evaluates the effectiveness of the estrogen replacement therapy. Fertility and the cycle cycle detects the ovulation and the hormonal imbalance. Cornification index assesses the estrogenic stimulation on the vaginal epithelium. High CI, high estrogen level. Ovulation hormone therapy. Low CI, low estrogen level. Menopause, ovarian failure. Superficial cells increases with the estrogen, while parabasal cells dominate in the low estrogen states. Used in the fertility assessment, menopause evaluation and the hormone therapy monitoring. Menopausal women shows a low CI due to the estrogen deficiency. CI is an indirect marker of the ovarian function.